In this video, I want to show you simple but very cool formula that you can use in Microsoft Excel. Check it out. It's a very simple formula that uses if statement to evaluate if the condition is true or not, and it updates a cell based on the results whether the value is true or false. Let me show you how it works. And just to get a little bit more realistic, I have a DAT file loaded to Excel where we have a BegDoc, EndDoc, BegAttach, EndAttach, and we have column name. Well, let's say we need to update this name column to all the documents in the entire family. So let's see how we can do it. I'm going to make a column called name family, and we're going to use this formula. Equals if C1 equals C2, we're going to take F1, and if they're not equals, we're going to take E2. Press enter. Now we're going to take this and drag it down. And for some reason we got zeros here. Well, we're not doing math, so let's just add E2 and empty quotes. There we go, looking much better. So now you can see how our name got populated from parent document to parent and all of its attachments. Pretty cool, right? Well, we can also use this formula to identify which document is an email and which one is an attachment. So let's say this is an outside production and you don't have that field. So your project manager says, look, I want to filter by all the emails, all the documents, and just look at those. Let's see how we can do it. Doc or attach, and we'll say equals if C1 equals to C2, this is attachment, else it's a document. Press enter. And now we have an easy field that you can use in your filter criteria to find all the parents or all the attachments. There's one more thing we can do with this formula. We can apply attachment number, which is a field that tells you if this is a first attachment, second, third, or fourth. Let's see how that would work. Attach number, and we'll say 0 for the first, and then we can say equals if C2 equals C3, then H2 plus 1, else 0. And we have a mistake here somewhere because I did not specify equals, I put comma. So we'll do that. We'll drag it down. And now you see all our documents are attached level 0 or attachment number 0, and all the attachments have sequential number generated for them. Very cool formula, right? See how we used 0 and then we added 1 to the next document if condition meets? Well, just like we've been going from top to bottom, we can also go from bottom up. Let me show you how that would work. Here we have an OPT file with all the columns of OPT file loaded into Excel. The last column we're interested in is a page count. But let's say you generated this OPT file using Excel and you don't have page count. We'll just delete it and pretend it's not there. You're trying to give this to a client, but they insist, we want page count in the OPT file. You try to explain to them that's an optional field, they don't want to listen. So here's a tip on how you can do it in Excel. We'll go all the way to the bottom. We'll enter 1, press enter. Go to the line above, say equals if D2686 7 equals to Y, we're going to put 1, else we're going to say E2687 plus 1, close parenthesis, press enter, and we're just going to copy it up and see if it works. And it does. So now we can grab it and bring it all the way to the top. Okay, now we have a page count. So we don't actually need the numbers in between. We just need the numbers at the end. So let's do another quick formula, and we'll say equals if D1 equals Y, then E1 else empty quotes. And I missed a quote. Press enter, double click. All right, now we're going to copy, paste as values, delete this row. Now we need to insert 2 rows. And now we're back to where we started. We have our page count. We can save it out as a comma delimited file. And that's how easy it is to use if formula in Excel. Thank you for watching.